Hi, I'm Noel from Datacoves. We offer an end-to-end solution for modern analytics. We can integrate with any existing or custom EL tool for data loading. We have managed DBT core, VS Code in the browser, managed Airflow, and we can integrate with any of the visualization tools out there, including Streamlit. So if I go into Datacoves right now, we will see that we can ingest data with Airbyte, and this is optional. You don't have to use Airbyte if you don't want to. I'll load some data here so that I can show the use of dynamic tables. If we're dealing with Streamlit, we can actually develop directly in Datacoves, so we can see, we'll see how that works in a second. We can also use Datacoves to write documentation for us. If we have a DBT model, we can integrate with ChatGPT and write the documentation for us. We also have built-in extension for Snowflake, as well as Snowpark. And we have, like I mentioned, Airflow. And normally we see that at large organizations, you have to connect your EL with your T, and you may have processes downstream of your transformations. We also have Superset for visualization, but as I said, this is optional. You do not need to use Superset if you have another visualization tool. And if we go back to the Streamlit application, we'll see here in a second, I have this application reloading every few seconds. And if our data is done loading, we'll see it's still running here. But in a few seconds, we should see it finish loading. And then we will see that the dashboard gets updated. The Streamlit application, I mean. So there it is, it's loaded. If we go back over here, let's give this another second or two. And when it refreshes again, we should see the new data. So this is using dynamic tables, a new feature of Snowflake. I mentioned we have the Snowflake extension. We can install other extensions as well as other Python libraries like Snowpark, and that all together makes it simpler for the user. Thank you.